Hello, this is Terry from Lancaster CSA with your fresh produce from week 10. Let's see what's in the box. Oh, yes. Fresh head of lettuce again. And some more red beets. We have something in a bag, and I believe it is peppers. Then we have some more potatoes. Let's see what color. Red. Nice. Next we have a beautiful head of cabbage and a head of cauliflower. Ooh, something new. Eggplant. A bag of parsley. A couple of red onions, delicious for salad. We have 2 more yellow squash. And tomatoes, fresh, first of the season. And 1 more. Cherry tomatoes for your salad or just for eating. That's it, folks. See you next week.